Hi, my name is Karl. I'm the owner and chef here at Thyme Cuisine in Bailey's Harbor. When people come in through Thyme, we want them to have a casual but, upscale feel. Not, date night only, but just when you want to come for a nice dinner and fresh ingredients and just a relaxed feeling. And the breakfast dish we do is called Going Bananas. So it's a twist on the classic French toast. We use a homemade French bread, slice it pretty thick, give 3 slices, grilled it up, topped with some sauteed bananas and a brown sugar butter, and then covered with powdered sugar on top, of course. The next thing is a appetizer off our dinner menu. It's a smoked whitefish dip, whitefish from Bailey's Harbor Fish Company here in town. And then we smoke that in-house as well, make a nice dip out of a little bit of horseradish, sour cream, and mayonnaise, so it's nice and creamy, but still that good smoked whitefish flavor. Presented with some grilled crostinis, cherry compote that we make in-house from Highline Orchard cherries, and a little bit of quick pickles, and good to go. Next is a flatbread pizza. We use a gluten-free cauliflower crust on that. So it's a completely gluten-free and completely vegetarian dish, which we've seen on a trend, a lot more people looking for vegetarian/vegan dishes. So this is a nice vegetarian dish. We top the flatbread with a little bit of rosemary ricotta cheese, and then grilled portobellas, some sauteed red onions, some sauteed peppers, and then we top it with a little bit of mozzarella cheese and a little bit of fresh Parmesan as well. The last dish we are featuring is a pecan crusted salmon. Once again, the Atlantic salmon brought in fresh a couple days a week. And we take and chop up some pecans and add a little bit of butter, brown sugar, and some seasonings, and coat the salmon in that and bake it. And then we finish that off with a lingonberry chambord sauce. And then that's presented with a basmati rice with a little bit of toasted almonds, some fresh parsley, and a little bit of lemon, and accompanied by seasonal vegetables.